guys, I'm over here trying to start this video and I got some type of dog feud going over here. You got problems with him? That's not Chase, by the way. Anyways, guys, check this out. This is a 2013 Chevy Caprice 6.0-liter V8. Oh yeah, this thing is a mother freaking beast. I am so juiced to have this. My tow truck driver just dropped it off. This right here is the fastest production police car ever. It's basically a 4-door Corvette and it outperforms the Dodge Charger and the Ford Taurus with EcoBoost. According to some research I did online, we're going to be searching this decommissioned police car for goodies, weapons, guns, equipment. I'm going to show you everything that it came with, and we're going to try and find that biscuit. So these vehicles were only sold to the police. Alright, look at this light bar. This looks like a code 3. I hope this thing still works. Like it got rained on a bit. What, you want to go in there? You want to go in here? Hey, psst, psst. Come on, want to take a ride? You're my prisoner now. Nah, come on. I have no idea whose dog this is, but she's friendly. It looks like she just had pups. Where's your puppies at? Alright guys, let's start from outside. Let's start from the front right here. We have a Setina push bar with ion wheeling lights. There's one right there. There's another one right there, and this is a Code 3 C3100 siren speaker. Very nice. We have some more Eon lights at an angle right here. I'm very curious to know if these even light up. There's a wheeling lights right there, and there's another one on the other side. These Goodyear Eagles are in very good condition. So these are special tires made for pursuits. Very nice. Some more wheeling Eon lights and even more. So this thing is gonna look so sick once it's all lit up. Traditional spotlights. By the way, this car only has 80,000 miles and it is a flex fuel E85 ethanol. Oh yep, I was right, that is a Code 3. We got a puck antenna. All right, now let's look in the inside. I'm gonna search this from the front and work my way to the back. Now take a look at this center console. Looks like they took the radio and the controller, unfortunately. But hey, at least they were man enough to leave me the cup holder. Oh, and look, Code 3 mic. This goes here. Looking at this end piece, looks like this might have belonged to a Code 3 Z3. Actually, just recently I found a full Code 3 Z3 setup, so here in a bit I'm gonna try to go and find it and connect it, see if I can get these lights and sirens going. And then right here is a Motorola radio speaker, which tells me that there was a Motorola radio installed in here. And over here there is a Santa Cruz gun lock. One is for a shotgun, the other one's for a AR-15 type rifle. Very nice. So sick. Cops paycheck. So half the year he's made 36,000. I mean, that's good, but with all the stuff they gotta put up with, it's not that good. Look at this. Richmond police. What if the officer had lights? Hey, you put it on. Let me see. Yeah, Richmond police. FBI, open up! There's a bunch of junk in here. Sanitizer. Hey, one of those tiny bullets. I think this is for the alpha gun. All right, let's start this beast up. Yeah. Let's look under the hood. Okay, it looks like it might have recently overheated. There is no fluid on there. That's not good. I should turn this off. And the cap is missing to this. And what's that? The oil cap? That's missing too? Yikes. Alright, let me turn this off. Clean. It's dirty, but clean. Now we're gonna check the other side out. You. Who are you? Alright, what's this? I think this is like a garage door opener. Who knows what that is? Nice glasses. Made in China. Why is everything made in China?
Maybe that's a question you should ask China.
Hey, there goes the oil cap. Gonna be brave and stick my hand in there. Oh, that looks good. I'm not even gonna lie. You will? You go. Oh, sweet. A ticket book. Tickets. For those who are worried about me having tickets, don't worry. Richmond recently switched over to digital only, so these are obsolete. You. Who are you? I don't know you. Oh yeah, you looking cool, man. Okay, let's check the back. Check out these window bars. You're not getting out of this. There's a Cetina partitioner. Check out those antennas. Let's check the trunk. Please be a biscuit. And I ain't talking about bread. You know what kind of biscuit I need. Oh, look at that. I like it. Ooh, slide out tray. Code 3, a Z3. Hell yeah, I was right. Looks like they made some cuts so that this thing doesn't work. Worry not, I know how these things work, so I'm gonna go ahead and rewire some of this stuff. I found the Code 3 Z3 controller that I got off that Explorer from the other video, so let's connect it and see if it works. Oh, powered on. That's a good sign. Testing, testing, testing. Nothing. I don't hear anything, so oh, sick. Hell yeah, that is sick. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, that is beautiful. Okay, after a closer inspection, I can see why the siren speaker is not working. Okay, so I reconnected this thing. Here goes nothing. Oh, hold on. First, I need to turn on the car, put my foot on the brake, then turn it on. Oh, and then I gotta put it on drive. Test it. You're under arrest. Oh, you hear that? That unlocked the gun. Sick. Look what I just discovered. Bam. This light. Okay, I got this old light bar here from another vehicle I searched, so I'm gonna go ahead and take parts off of this and put it on here. Hopefully it fits. Would you look at that? It snapped right in. Yeah. All right, let's put the red one. Oh yeah, there it goes. Now let's light it up. One must die for the other to live. Ah, yeah. So sick. Of course, it will need to be refurbished. The wrap. You guys know what this is? The wrap. What the heck is this? What the heck? Knees. Oh, this is one of those straight jackets for them friggin' crazy people. Spitting it. Hold on, let me look it up on my. The wrap. SafeRestraints.com. 1-800-WRAP-911. Okay, so I just googled what the wrap is. It's basically when a criminal is being very combative, they put it on this and he can't do anything. He is all wrapped up.
I wonder if you got that free candy van. Is it for sale?
Why?
Man, I got some taken for some.
So what you do? Get on the ground! Get up! Get down! Cuff him! Put your hands on your back!
I just want to get free candy.
Don't move! Go around. Wrap him up. Hey! Stop spitting! Fuck you! Get on the ground!
Stop resisting.
Put your hands behind your back.
Stop resisting.
Stop spitting. Give him,
his legs.
give him a few little zaps just to
Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Don't fight.
Don't fight.
Fighting.
Do not fight. Never fight.
Don't fight. Stop resisting.
Stop resisting.
Turn him around.
Let's go.
Let's go. All the way. Just
it.
relax, bro. Relax. He's extremely dangerous.
Engine puller. Pull him up.
Get him. All right. Let's go. Let's take him away. Let's take him away, boys.
All right. We gotta get him up.
Resisting.
Help us get him
resisting.
up.
It was all funny, man. It was all funny, man.
Oh, your buddy's here. Go in with your buddy.
Oh, what the fuck, funny, man? What are you doing here, brother?
All right, let's hold you. Don't spit. Do as you're told.
Suspect, stop resisting.
Fuck you.
Fuck away from me.
We had a funny man Loyalist impersonating a security officer and infiltrated, so we're gonna stick him in the front.
No. Fuck you guys.
Do we have a bungee cord for this?
Hey, why does the suspect have a gun?
Oh shit.
Does that make any sense to anybody?
No, fuck you guys.
You guys didn't take his gun?
Goddamn rookies.
Yeah, rookies.
Clear.
All right, clear. Good. Let's go. Take him to
Where's the paddy wagon?
house.
Oh, it's in for repairs. Shit.
He said, "Oh, my nuts," and he was like, "You don't need them where you're going."
Fuck you guys.
Dang, look this way.
You so on that.
We put him in a fucking a restraint.